The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, August 11th. It's been another cloudy, showery day across the state, but the weather trending a little hotter, a little drier in coming days. Check it out. Water vapor satellite view this afternoon. The upper low that's been producing the unsettled weather drifting slowly westward. There's the visible satellite view, and wrapping around that, you can see a lot of bands of tropical moisture across Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. That was the radar at 2:32. Those showers are moving northwest on top of the upper low. And because of the clouds and showers, temperatures are still well below average. No 90s on the board here today. Birmingham 85, mid to upper 80s for Tuscaloosa, Anniston, and Gadsden. But tomorrow we might see 90, and a decent chance we could see low 90s over the weekend as we see increasing amounts of sunshine. Around the region, you really have to go back to Oklahoma and Arkansas to find the classic summer heat with mid to upper 90s for places like Tulsa and Little Rock. Now to the south, flash flood watches for the Alabama Gulf Coast over to Destin, and then westward back over into southeast Louisiana where the rain has really been heavy today. And the severe weather possibilities stay well to the north. Got the standard slight risk for the rest of today and tonight for parts of Nebraska and Iowa. Tomorrow, marginal risks well to the west and north. And on day 3, which is Saturday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Rain for the next 5 days, big numbers, wrapping from Louisiana and South Alabama and Mississippi up through Arkansas, Missouri, into parts of the Ohio Valley on the periphery of an upper high that's over the Atlantic coast. In Alabama, again, we have a very tight gradient. And again, this is the rain through Tuesday morning of next week. The amounts vary from 5 to 6 inches at Gulf Shores and Orange Beach and Dauphin Island to near 1/2 inch for the northeastern tip of the state. Of course, we all know that your number could vary. Very hard to draw maps like this in the summer because of the uneven distribution of the rain. Tropical weather, again, things are amazingly quiet for the middle of August, and we should note the guys at NOAA updated their seasonal outlook. And most of you know I'm not a big fan of these. I don't think we have a good skill set. Not so sure the information is that useful, but that's what they are expecting, and things better get active in a hurry for those numbers to verify. As again, it looks like we'll have no activity at least for the next 10 days. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. The upper feature is over the Louisiana coast, and down below that, the bulk of the really cloudy, unsettled weather begins to shift a little west of the state. So I think tomorrow should be a little brighter. The high will be close to 90. And could there be showers? Absolutely, but they should be a little more scattered in nature. And for the weekend, pretty typical summer weather. That's Saturday, and this is Sunday. For both days, we'll call it partly sunny with a chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. And low 90s a good possibility. So heat levels creeping up a little bit as that main dynamic support shifts off to the west. Next week, same thing Monday, low 90s, a few scattered storms about. Here's Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we might begin to see an increase in the number of scattered storms again as the air becomes unstable. This is Thursday of next week. Heights about where they should be. Down below that, occasionally cloudy, scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms. And again, the highs could drop back into the upper 80s at that point. This is the end of the forecast period, Sunday, August 21st. Flat 588 ridge here, troughing north of the state. And again, scattered showers and storms. No evidence of any excessively hot weather. By that, we mean upper 90s or higher. Numbers. Low 90s are back tomorrow and over the weekend, then dropping back in the 80s toward the latter part of next week if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.